Welcome to On the Move. Quick, sharp insights for business owners who don't have time to slow down. And today I want to tackle one of the biggest traps owners fall into when profit is low. Most owners see low profit and treat it like the problem, and that's exactly what keeps them stuck. Here's what usually happens: they start cutting expenses blindly, they discount their services to chase more sales. They blame the market, the team, or the pricing, and they treat the P&L like it's a tax form instead of a dashboard. Each of those moves creates short-term relief, but here's the problem. They bury the very signal that could have shown you where the real issue lives. The truth is this: low profit isn't the problem. Low profit is the signal. It's the way your business tells you something deeper is off. So, what do you do instead? Instead of asking, how do I make more profit? Ask, where is profit pointing me? Sometimes it's your revenue engine. Are you selling to the right market at the right price? Sometimes it's operational efficiency. Are you delivering profitably without waste or rework? And sometimes it's your financial structure. Are you allocating money to the right places? Profit highlights the weakest link. And when you fix that, profit follows automatically. So here's your one action for this week. Run a quick margin check. Find the product or service with the biggest gap between what you charge and what it costs to deliver. That's where the signal is loudest, because low profit isn't the problem. The real problem is ignoring the signal it's giving you. This was On the Move, one quick action to keep your business moving forward.